wondering, what on earth is James making today? Well, this was something that I came up with this morning when I was making coffee, and our neighbor thoughtfully happened to provide a whole bunch of calamansi. These are a Philippine citrus that are somewhere between a cross of a sweet tangerine and a little bit of a lemon flavor. They're very aromatic, and normally you make lemonade type drinks out of these or float them in boba tea or something. Then I was thinking about one of my favorite flavors, which is like a creamsicle vanilla orange flavor. And as it turns out, one of the simplest combinations, which I hadn't thought of before, but it works out really well, is to take a fresh cup of coffee, just like you normally would make, your preferred strength of whatever you like, but then adding a couple slices of fresh calamansi. The calamansi itself are always really juicy and flavorful and have a beautiful color, but unique to them is the actual flavor is very more orange than orange. So I took a couple of them and just dropped them into my coffee, and then thought, well, orange goes really well with vanilla. And for my morning routine, I often use a soy-based nutrition drink that has some fiber in it to help with diabetes. So you could probably substitute any kind of dairy with a creamer or something like that, but it gives it that vanilla taste, and you end up with a most delightful creamsicle-like coffee drink, which you can serve hot or iced, and it turned out to be delicious. So cheers. Calamansi coffee.